Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the adapter and device both support the same power protocol and wattage. This ensures safe, fast charging. Once confirmed, choose a cable rated for that wattage. A thin, low-rated cable can overheat. Insert the cable fully into the adapter and your device. You should feel a click. If your device suggests a charging mode, pick the mode that matches the adapter's output. Make sure vents aren't blocked so the adapter can dissipate heat while charging efficiently. You now watch the device negotiate voltage and current. Most modern devices will display the negotiated wattage or a fast charge indicator. If negotiation seems low, make sure the adapter and cable are attached to the correct ports. Some multi-port chargers restrict power per port. Once done, check device power settings to enable quick charge if available, or enable battery health mode to limit peak current. If you need to change cables or ports, unplug the adapter from the wall first to avoid arcing and ensure a safe swap. You finish by unplugging the adapter from the wall before removing the cable from your device. This minimizes wear and prevents tiny sparks. If charging is slower than expected, test with a different certified PD cable and try a different port on the charger to identify whether the cable, port, or adapter is limiting output. Make sure your device's battery and adapter firmware are up to date if updates are available. And if problems persist, try the adapter with a second device to determine whether repair or replacement is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.